Looking for a motorcycle that's fun, reliable, and perfect for off-road adventures? The 2026 Yamaha TW200 might just be the one you've been waiting for. Compact, powerful, and surprisingly versatile, this bike is turning heads in 2026. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is a dual-sport motorcycle designed for both city streets and rugged trails. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. With a classic style and modern upgrades, it offers a mix of performance and practicality that few bikes in its class can match. Engine and performance. Under the seat, the TW200 features a 196cc air-cooled engine that delivers smooth, reliable power. It may not be a speed demon, but its low-end torque makes it perfect for climbing hills, tackling dirt roads, and enjoying casual rides around town. The bike also offers a comfortable top speed for daily commuting while keeping fuel efficiency in mind. Design and comfort. One of the most striking features of the TW200 is its fat tires. These provide excellent traction on dirt, sand, and pavement alike. The seat is low and wide, making long rides comfortable, and the upright riding position ensures better control and less strain on your back. Its minimalistic design also makes maintenance simple and cost-effective. Handling and versatility. The lightweight chassis combined with a soft suspension system allows the TW200 to handle uneven terrain with ease. Whether you're riding through city streets or off-road trails, this bike remains stable and responsive. Its dual sport capability makes it an ideal choice for riders who want one bike for both work and adventure. Price and who should buy it. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is priced competitively for a dual-sport motorcycle, offering great value for money. It's perfect for beginners, casual riders, and even experienced riders who want a small, fun bike for weekend adventures. If you're looking for reliability, versatility, and a bike that can handle almost any terrain, the TW200 should be on your list. Always ride safely and wear proper protective gear. Check local laws and regulations before riding off-road or on public roads.